Hazur, could you please explain the revelation of the promised Messiah, that he was the mantle of the prophets, hulalul anbiya?
No, it is not the...
Is it the revelation?
The revelation is not this, that he was the mantle of prophets. The revelation says, Jariullah fi hulalul anbiya.
That's the whole revelation.
The stalwart of Allah, the great warrior of Allah, in the robes of various prophets, different prophets. In the robes of many prophets. These are the words of that revelation translated into English. So it means that he was to manifest the prophecies about the invent of various prophets who were to come in the latter days. This revelation tells us that although various prophets are expected to come, to appear in the latter days, Krishna predicts that he would appear, Buddha predicts that he would appear, Moses is to reappear according to some, and many other such prophets. Jesus Christ, peace be upon him, is understood to come again. So what will happen? Will all these prophets come severally, independently, and start a fight between themselves and call to different paths of Allah? This can't happen. So all these prophecies were to be fulfilled in the form of a subordinate prophet to Ahmad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who would take pride in being a slave to him, and yet he would be declared as though all those prophets which were to appear independently to have come now in one person who is under subordination to Ahmad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So that in fact is an interpretation of a vision of Miraj. In Miraj, Ahmad sallallahu alaihi wasallam saw, leading him in prayer, all the rest of the prophets. That only was an indication that all the prophets which had earlier appeared would be made subordinate to him. That was a prophecy. Now this subordination of the prophets could be in two ways. Number one, their people who followed them would begin to follow Ahmad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and switch sides. Number two, that their coming would be fulfilled in the form of a prophet who would take pride in being slave to Ahmad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, so he would be really representing them and representing them as a follower of Ahmad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So in both these ways the prophecy was to be fulfilled, and this ilham, that revelation which you have quoted, indicates that our interpretation is correct. This is exactly how Allah saw things and made them to be fulfilled.